Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Made from various tough cuts of beef, cube steak is processed in a way that helps create a more tender piece of meat. However, the cooking method you use may turn your tender cube steak into a chewy, tough slab of inedible meat.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Salisbury steak is similar to chicken fried steak in that both are different kinds of ground beef, or ground beef pressed into patties, fried in a pan and served up with gravy on them. It is made with a thin, tough steak that is pounded flat to tenderize it, or else it is made with cubed steak.
Take our lead.
However, washing raw poultry, beef, pork, lamb or veal before cooking it is not recommended. Bacteria in raw meat and poultry juices can be spread to other foods, utensils and surfaces. We call this cross-contamination. Meat and poultry are cleaned during processing, so further washing is not necessary.
Take our lead.
As it turns out, Worcestershire sauce already contains many of the components of a good marinade. It has vinegar to tenderize the meat, sugar for sweetness and shine, and deliciously savory flavors including onion, garlic, tamarind, and anchovies.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.